Talent, I believe, the team leader, Ron Langendorfer, and Steve Vaughn, now departing the aircraft in formation, flying down, doing a beautiful spiral in the sky, holding on to one another, spreading apart. Now watch it as they reach 2,500 feet. They'll pull those pilot chutes out from their right hips, and they will deploy the canopies of the E-Team skydivers. Now, ladies and gentlemen, take a look at that flag. I'm going to ask that wherever you are within the sound of my voice, that you stop what you're doing. I want you to join in the singing of our national anthem, which will come in just a moment. I want you to honor the men who serve our country and the women who serve our country and all of those who have served. Honor the flag and come to attention if you're in uniform. If you're not in uniform, I'm going to ask that when we start the anthem, you remove your caps and honor our country. That flag is 5,000 square feet in area. It is one of the biggest, and I hope you, it's just amazing to see a flag of this size. Paul McCowan's flying it. It weighs 70 pounds. He has another 70 pounds of weight to keep it down and flying properly. The E-Team skydivers, 24,000 jumps among the three of them.
Whoa.
We've got a good breeze right here, so it's taken us a little longer to get the flag down. You'll see Paul turn into the wind and almost stop. Steve Vaughn, high and to the right, just about ready to circle in and land. Ron Langendorfer, number 2, maneuver these parachutes right in over the target, bringing it in for a soft tiptoe landing. Look high and to the right here. Make some noise for him as Steve Vaughn comes in on the target. He can hear you. Now, ladies and gentlemen, please stand and join in the singing of our national anthem. Yonder be light, what so proudly we hailed at the twilight flash gleaming, whose broad stripes and bright stars through the perilous fight, for the ramparts we watched were so gallantly streaming, and the rockets red glare from bumpers singing air gave proof through the night. Yet wave for the land of the free and the home of the brave. Paul McCowan, ladies and gentlemen, take a look as he brings this beautiful American flag right down at Show Center. He's got the white, he's got the flag on the ground, and a beautiful landing. He's down on the ground. How about that, ladies and gentlemen? Paul McCowan getting dragged around a little bit in a stiff breeze. He handled it extremely well. Taking off right now, as we see, back in the days of World War II, that B-17 heavy bomber. No one can tell. Listen to those 1,200 horsepower engines as they lift that massive aircraft in the air. And the Geico Skytypers, high and above, talking about the Toyota Tundra. How about a nice round of applause for Paul? The B-25. Even though the B-25 has two 17-horsepower Wright Cyclone 14-cylinder radial engines on it, it has shorter exhaust stacks. The original models had longer exhaust stacks, combining the exhaust manifolds on that. Each of the cylinders has its own exhaust stack on it, so it's making a lot more noise than that